Once upon a time, in a world where dreams and reality intertwined, there existed a young girl named Lyra. Lyra had a special gift. Her mind was an empty canvas, free from clutter and preconceived notions. Her thoughts were like ripples on a calm lake, expanding outward, creating new possibilities with every passing moment. In Lyra's world, stories held immense power. They were not mere words on a page or figments of imagination. They were living entities that shaped the very fabric of existence. The storytellers were revered, for they had the ability to weave tales that could alter destinies and transform the world around them. Curiosity danced in Lyra's eyes as she embarked on a journey to discover her own story. With each step she took, she encountered characters and places that sparked her imagination. A wise old sage shared ancient wisdom, guiding her towards self-discovery. A mischievous pixie led her through enchanted forests, where secrets whispered in the rustling leaves. As Lyra delved deeper into the realms of her mind, she stumbled upon a forgotten tale hidden in the recesses of her consciousness. It was a story of lost love and unfulfilled dreams, a story that yearned to be told. Lyra felt a deep connection to this narrative, as if it were a fragment of her own soul. With newfound determination, Lyra set out to give life to this dormant story. She met other storytellers who offered their guidance and encouragement, teaching her the art of crafting words that would breathe life into characters and emotions. They taught her that stories were not just meant to entertain but to inspire, to evoke empathy and ignite change. Lyra's blank canvas mind became a vibrant tapestry of emotions and ideas. She poured her heart and soul into her tale, infusing it with her unique perspective and experiences. Through her words, she wove a story of resilience, hope, and the transformative power of love. The world around Lyra began to shift as her story took hold. People read her words and found solace, inspiration, and a renewed sense of purpose. Lives were changed, and the ripples of her story spread far and wide, touching hearts and igniting sparks of creativity in others. But amidst the acclaim and recognition, Lyra remained humble. She knew that her gift was not solely hers but a collective consciousness, a shared desire to express and connect. She continued to explore new stories, pushing the boundaries of her imagination and encouraging others to find their voices. And so, Lyra's tale became a legend, passed down through generations. Her name became synonymous with courage, creativity, and the boundless possibilities that lay within each person's mind. The world she inhabited was forever changed, as people embraced the power of storytelling, using it to shape their own lives and the world around them. As time passed, Lyra's own story faded into whispers of the past. But her legacy lived on, imprinted in the hearts of those who dared to dream and tell their own stories. And in the realms where dreams and reality converged, Lyra's spirit danced, forever inspiring and guiding those who sought to empty their minds and let their stories unfold.